Hello everybody and welcome back to another Valdez Venture. I'm going to go ahead and ask that y'all excuse me. The roofers are still working on my house, but I needed to do the oil change on my truck, so that's what we're going to be working on today. Alright guys, so what is the best gift you can give to someone who has everything? I'm back in my neighbor's yard on the concrete pad, so we're going to get under here and get started, and I'll lift it later and do the rotation. It's not the easiest to see because the engineers decided to put the exhaust pipe right behind drain plugs. And yes, I know I have oil leak, but I've got 285,000 miles. Alright, so that's half the oil change done. Now, because I have my leaks, I've got some STP high mileage oil treatment, rejuvenates seals and gaskets, helps stop engine leaks, noises, and smoking. So I'm kind of hoping that helps with the, I think it's oil pan and rear main at least, actually, and the head. I've noticed the heads are leaking too. So I'm hoping this will help. I've also got some high mileage Lucas oil stabilizer. It does the same thing, but it counts as a quart. And Shell now makes Rotella for gas engines. At least this is the first time I've seen it, so I decided to give it a try. Okay, so it says add 1 bottle to 4 to 5 quarts of oil. So I'm gonna pour this in first, then this, then the oil, and see what the level comes out to. Everyone's seen death in their dreams, but we still wake up from our sleep. I'll be home soon. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. And on my truck, it's that top bubble, or that top hole. So we're good. Got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Jungle of love.
my head and I don't know why. We got a billion reasons, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I won't stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
Alright everybody, so that's done. Took a little longer than it probably should have, but again, I don't have a shop. So I did the best with what I got, and a 3-gallon air compressor might work for 4 lug nuts on a car that's torque is only 80, I think. But when it's 8 lug nuts per wheel at 140 pounds, 3 gallons ain't gonna cut it. So I'm gonna try and back it out of here. They blocked me out of my driveway. I usually back out of here and into my yard, but they've parked in my way, plus the horse trailer's in my way. So I'm gonna try and squeeze between her car and that bush. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so now that that's done, time to reset the oil light. So 90% of Chevrolets, if you turn the key to the run position and then hit the gas pedal 3 to 4 times, 4 to be safe, but 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to the floor each time. It won't tell you, but it usually resets your oil light. Up, see, there it goes. Mine tells me. Now I can start it. Oil light reset. And I've got 285,000 miles on her. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this week's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It's just something I had to do in the middle of this trailer. I've still got this trailer. I'm still trying to figure it out, but I needed to do my oil change, so I made a video of it. Anyway, what is the best Christmas gift you could give someone who has everything? Burglar alarm. Alright guys, well that's the end of this week's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all join us next week for another About Adventure, and I hope y'all have a blessed day.